What if I told you that having zero skills could actually be your biggest advantage? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because today, you might just see starting a business in a whole new way. Hi, I'm Lena, and welcome to Bizmastery. Here, we believe in one thing: master your business, master your future. If you're ready for practical, no fluff business advice that you can actually use, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more coming your way. Quick note, everything I share here is for educational purposes only. Your journey is your own, and you're in charge of how you take the next steps. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 simple, step-by-step strategies for starting a business from zero. No complicated jargon, no overwhelming details, just clear, actionable steps you can take right away. So grab a pen, find a comfortable spot, and get ready, because this might just be the turning point for you. Let's get started. The first step is to shift your mindset and see being a beginner as your superpower. When you have no old habits holding you back, you can explore with complete freedom. You're not stuck in the way it's always been done. You can try fresh, bold ideas. That's the beauty of starting with a clean slate. Starting without skills is like standing in front of a blank canvas. The possibilities are endless. You're free to design your own style, make your own mistakes, and create something truly yours. There's no wrong way, because you're inventing your own path. That freedom is something even experts can envy. Think about Richard Branson. He started an airline without knowing how to fly a plane. He focused on vision, customer experience, and building the right team instead of trying to master every technical skill. His story proves you don't need to know it all to make a big impact. You just need courage and creativity. Mindset is the foundation of everything in business. Skills will grow with practice, but confidence grows the moment you decide to start. When you believe you can figure it out, you open the door to opportunities that others miss. That's the real beginner's advantage. The second step is to pick a business model you can learn quickly. You don't need something overly complicated. You need something you can understand and start using fast. The simpler it is, the faster you'll see results. This is about building momentum, not chasing perfection. Think of it like choosing a hiking trail. You want a route you can complete with just a map in your pocket, not one that requires a full survival kit. The easier the path, the more energy you'll have to actually enjoy the journey. And in business, enjoying the journey keeps you going longer. Damon John started small, using basic sewing skills to make hats and shirts in his neighborhood. He didn't wait to master every fashion skill. He began with what he knew and learned along the way. That focus on starting simple allowed him to grow faster. It's proof that you can build big things from humble beginnings. Start small and keep it simple. That's the secret. Complexity slows you down, but simplicity helps you move faster and stay consistent. Every small win builds your confidence, and confidence is what turns a simple start into a powerful success story. The third step is to turn the market into your classroom. Real-life experience teaches you lessons that no textbook can match. Every interaction, every small sale, every customer conversation gives you valuable insights. The world outside is the best teacher you'll ever have. It's like learning to swim by stepping into the shallow end first. You build confidence with small, safe moves before diving into deeper waters. That way, you're learning while staying in control. In business, those first shallow steps can save you from costly mistakes. Howard Schultz didn't learn about coffee from reading reports. He learned it by working in cafes, talking to customers, and experiencing the culture firsthand. He immersed himself in the world he wanted to build in. That's how he understood what people truly wanted. You can do the same in your chosen market. Real-world feedback is worth more than endless planning. Each time you test an idea, you learn what works and what doesn't. Those lessons make you sharper and faster. That's how you grow your skills while earning at the same time. The fourth step is to remember you don't have to do it alone. Building a business is easier when you have others who bring their strengths to the table. You can focus on what you do best and let others shine in their own areas. Together, you can achieve far more than you could on your own. Think of your business like a band. You don't need to play every instrument yourself to make great music. Each player brings their own unique sound, and together it becomes something magical. That's the power of collaboration. Walt Disney didn't draw every frame himself. He relied on talented animators while he focused on storytelling and vision. He built a team that shared his dream and brought it to life. That's how his ideas became more than just sketches on paper. You can find people who turn your vision into reality too. Collaboration can instantly fill the gaps in your skills. Instead of trying to do everything, you can tap into the strengths of others. That not only saves time, it also creates better results. Success is rarely a solo journey, it's built together. The fifth step is to start with free or low-cost tools. You don't need fancy equipment or a huge budget to begin. What matters is how resourceful you are with what's already in your hands. Many great businesses were born from humble beginnings. It's like cooking a delicious meal with whatever you find in your fridge. You make the most of every ingredient, adding creativity to bring it all together. Limitations can actually spark new ideas you might never think of otherwise. Sometimes, the best recipes come from improvisation. Oprah Winfrey began her media journey with minimal production resources. She didn't wait for perfect conditions, she made the most of what she had and grew from there. Her story proves that starting small doesn't mean thinking small. Big visions can grow from modest roots. Focus on solutions, not limitations. The tools you have today can be enough to get you moving forward. What matters is action, creativity, and persistence. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Step 6 is to share before you feel fully ready. The truth is, you'll never feel completely prepared, and that's okay. Starting early lets you grow alongside the people who are watching your journey. The sooner you put yourself out there, the sooner connections begin to form. It's like planting seeds before you have the perfect garden. You don't need every tool, every plan, or every detail worked out before you start. By planting now, you give your ideas the time they need to grow roots and flourish. Progress comes from action, not waiting. Steve Jobs shared Apple's early products before they were perfectly polished. He understood that showing progress can inspire people to join the journey. Early feedback can help you improve faster than working in isolation. Momentum often comes from daring to be seen. Don't wait for perfection, it's a trap that keeps dreams stuck. Every step you take in public builds trust, recognition, and momentum. Opportunities will find you when you make yourself visible. Your audience is out there, waiting to grow with you. Step 7 is all about embracing progress over perfection. Waiting for the perfect moment often means never starting at all. Instead, focus on taking action and improving along the way. Every small adjustment moves you closer to your goal. It's like shaping clay. You don't get the masterpiece on the first try. Each time you mold, refine, and reshape, the vision becomes clearer. The beauty is in the process, not in rushing the final product. Growth happens one careful adjustment at a time. Sarah Blakely didn't launch her products perfectly, she improved them by listening to her customers. Each bit of feedback was like a compass, guiding her towards something better. By staying open to change, she turned small tweaks into massive wins. Flexibility can be your greatest business strength. Success is built through consistent, small improvements over time. Think of every update as a brick in the foundation of your business. Over the years, those bricks form something unshakable. Your journey will be defined by how well you adapt and grow. Shift your mindset, choose a simple business model. Learn as you earn, leverage other people's skills, start with free tools, build your first audience, and keep iterating. These steps are your map through the unknown. Each one moves you closer to building something real, and remember, every journey starts with a single step. Here's the truth: lacking skills isn't a wall, it's a blank page. You get to write your story from scratch. without the weight of old habits. That's your freedom and your advantage. All you have to do is start. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Bizmastery, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Your support helps us keep bringing you powerful business insights every week, and it might just be the push someone else needs. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what business would you start if skills didn't matter? Your ideas could inspire someone else to take action. Let's start a conversation and build this community together. This is Bizmastery. Master your business. Master your future. Remember, you're more ready than you think. Take the first step, and the path will reveal itself. Now go make it happen.